Ford is one of the leading automakers in the world, and it has ambitious plans to redeem itself in the electric vehicle (EV) market. In this section, we will explore how Ford is investing $22 billion in electrification through 2025 and plans to manufacture 2 million EVs by 2026 globally. Ford's EV investment is part of its broader strategy to transform its business and become a leader in the future of mobility. Ford has announced that it will spend $30 billion by 2025 on its shift to building more electric vehicles and that it expects 40% of its sales, worldwide, to be fully electric vehicles by 2030. To achieve this goal, Ford is partnering with SK Innovation, a South Korean energy company, to build 2 new massive manufacturing campuses for electric vehicles, creating more than 10,000 new jobs and representing Ford's largest ever single manufacturing investment in the company's 118-year history. One of these campuses will be located in Stanton, Tennessee, and will be called Blue Oval City. It will be a $5.6 billion mega campus that will create approximately 6,000 new jobs and reimagine how vehicles and batteries are manufactured. Blue Oval City will become a vertically integrated ecosystem for Ford to assemble an expanded lineup of electric F-Series vehicles and will include a Blue Oval SK battery plant, key suppliers and recycling. The other campus will be located in Glendale, Kentucky, and will be called Blue Oval SK Battery Park. It will consist of twin battery plants that will power a new lineup of Ford and Lincoln EVs. Ford and SK Innovation plan to invest $5.8 billion and create nearly 5,000 new jobs at this site. Production of the new electric vehicles and advanced lithium-ion batteries will begin in 2025. These 2 campuses will enable 129 gigawatt-hours a year of production capacity for Ford, which is equivalent to powering more than 10 million homes for a year. These investments build on Ford's recent announcements that it will work with Redwood Materials on closed-loop domestic battery recycling and make a new investment to increase production of the F-150 Lightning pickup in Dearborn, Michigan, starting next year. Ford's EV investment is not only limited to the U.S., but also extends to other regions where it operates. For example, Ford has announced that it will invest $1 billion to modernize its vehicle assembly facility in Cologne, Germany, as the home of its European electric vehicle operations. The first all-electric volume passenger vehicle for European customers will roll off the line there starting in 2023. Ford has also committed to invest $580 million to manufacture its new Ranger pickup truck at its Silverton assembly plant in South Africa. The Ranger is one of Ford's most popular vehicles globally and will have an all-electric version by mid-decade. In addition, Ford has announced that it will invest $870 million to build a new EV manufacturing plant at its Craiova assembly plant in Romania. The plant will produce a second all-electric vehicle for European customers after the Cologne plant. With these investments, Ford aims to increase its global EV production capacity to 2 million units by 2026. This includes more than 600,000 units in North America, more than 800,000 units in Europe and more than 400,000 units in China. Ford's EV investment is not only about building vehicles and batteries, but also about creating an ecosystem that supports customers and communities. For example, Ford is investing $90 million in Texas, $525 million total in the U.S., to train skilled technicians to service connected, electric zero-emission vehicles. Ford is also working with partners such as Electrify America and Ionity to expand the charging network for EV owners across different markets. By investing $22 billion in electrification through 2025 and planning to manufacture 2 million EVs by 2026 globally, Ford is showing its commitment to redeem itself in the EV market and lead America's shift to electric vehicles. Ford believes that EVs are not only good for the environment, but also good for business, as they offer higher margins and lower costs than conventional vehicles. Ford hopes that its EV investment will help it achieve profitable growth and create value for its customers and shareholders.